Knock, knock, knock. Hey everybody, I'm your host Zain Ali Salari for the show Just Asking. Today I'm here in Islamabad and weather is solid. Today we are going to ask people about social media. I know. You guys been complaining about social media. It's cringe, it's pressure. What is your take on that? Please do let me know in the comment section and let's hear from the people of Islamabad. What do they have to say about social media? Let's join.
My name is Madiha Farooq.
Mohammad Ahmed.
Abdullah. My name is Mohammad Imran Khan.
What is the most cringe thing about social media?
Weird stuff that comes out is the cringiest. That has no basis of reality.
Cringe thing.
From an introvert's perspective, being on social media is cringe.
Selfish being.
Any brain rot stuff on social media
is cringe. When you look at this thing, you are like, ew.
I think people doing literally anything on social media, like changing clothes or
Everything.
random stuff. I think that
They're putting everything out
there should be a wall between, people and social media.
Overreact लोग होते हैं ना.
Our parents that are 70 plus, it's very hard for us to explain that, monkeys can't read.
Everything is cringe, sir. Your life is crunchy. Everything is crunchy.
Everything is cringe.
There's this video where this goat jumps off this huge K2 mountain and he's gliding through the air. And my father sent it to me and I'm like, Abba, this is not right.
TikTokers.
You know which TikTokers I'm talking about. Propagandas.
The new generation, I guess.
Probably the trend following everyone does.
Everybody goes out of it.
Yeah.
People posting about their personal lives and making it seem much larger than life.
Yeah, people posting about their daily updates, about their families, sharing about themselves, where they're going, what they are doing.
Rather use a good script. They started to use a script. Those are below the belt, and unfortunately, the people are watching them.
But cringe is also enjoyable in its own way.
Tell me, Imran Khan, what is the most fakest thing on social media?
People are being that kind of person which they don't really are.
Bragging about their progress, they make others feel that they have achieved everything.
The people who show themselves on their media, on their personality.
What is that one good thing about social media?
Awareness part is really good. I get to monitor my son's whereabouts. He's 16.
The communities that form through social media.
The
very
groups.
Beautiful. Yes. I think connectivity.
Probably how easy it is to communicate with new people and to get to know more people.
I just get to doom scroll to sleep. I don't need melatonin anymore.
I think it keeps everyone connected.
Yeah.
I think that's when Facebook started. Everyone got connected and you can get in touch with people who you had lost in touch with.
It's giving people the opportunities to explore for business especially, to grow themselves.
Brilliant source of information if we get the right information.
If you use it in the right manner.
Yes, exactly.
Exposure, people learning a lot.
Awareness.
Knowledge.
Oh.
You can also earn.
Money. What app do you use most often?
Instagram. I was the pioneers of the Facebook generation. I'm still there because all my friends my age are still there.
I use Instagram the most.
Instagram the most.
Yes.
Gen Z, everybody's right there.
I think Instagram.
Probably Instagram for our marketing. Yeah. For personal use, probably the camera.
I use TikTok a lot because my passion is baking, so I get to follow like every influencer who's baking and like learn everything about it.
WhatsApp. So my work is done on WhatsApp. So it's a lot easier now and a lot quicker.
What is the most used app on your device?
Sir, I think what's up? I say TikTok is TikTok is useless, guys.
I don't know. Let me check.
I don't really use Facebook that much anymore.
I see.
File manager.
Mashallah, there are so many apps.
Duolingo. Language सीखने के लिए.
It's Duolingo, yeah.
Duolingo, yeah.
I think one of the most useless apps could be.
I will say Snapchat.
So, you're not speaking with somebody?
I was speaking and it was like 1200, 1300.
Ooh, that is big one. I've never touched that number.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think all of them are pretty.
Useless app.
TikTok.
Snapchat.
Snapchat.
Dub Smash. That's a really old app.
Lot of games.
Lot of games. They're useless, right? Nobody of us have ever heard of it.
Dub Smash? It used to be the one where I think you could do voiceovers, different voice from a famous line from a movie.
What is that one app you pretend to use but you're not using it?
Pretend to use. I say that I use Snapchat all the time, but I don't.
Twitter.
Twitter. You don't like it?
I like Reddit more.
YouTube because
You do?
yeah, I mean they don't have the option of 2x speed in shorts, and my brain is cooked to a point that I cannot see anything that's not in 2x.
Now the
yeah.
generation wants to
Yeah,
things to
2x
be
speed,
quickly. How much screen time is too much?
I have seen my son using his phone. It is not pleasant.
Probably on mobile, it's 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yeah.
It depends on the person, but like if you are more on a screen than you are interacting with real people, then it's too much.
So if you're constantly stuck on your phone and you can't let go of it and it's bothering you with your day-to-day activities, then it's getting too much.
How much screen time is too much?
I have no time. My life is very busy. I'm a very social person like that. Yeah.
My screen time is a lot, by the way. I'm like
How much it is?
it's like 8 hours.
Ooh,
so-
that is big
I am
one.
a doom scroller. I say I don't like cringe content, but I consume a lot of it.
I think after in half an hour you need to do the exercise.
4 hours of scroll time is enough.
Is enough.
Sometimes I feel like phones shouldn't exist. They should come out, live. Being honest, it's very hard.
I think more than 3 hours a day.
What is your screen time?
It's more than 3 hours.
According to me, 3 hours is more than enough.
It's more than enough.
More than enough.
According
For me, I think it's a part of day.
uh-huh.
But unfortunately, I spend more time on it.
So what is your screen time?
9 to 10 hours.
No,
that's 9 to 10 hours.
She knew that.
I would say 6 to 7 hours.
A day, it's good one.
There is, yeah, that's the bad part of it. There's doom scrolling, so it's bad for the kids because their attention span gets reduced because they're constantly wanting some sort of stimulation, and when they're not like YouTube shorts or just doom scrolling, and that becomes really bad because they can't focus on other activities which they need to be focusing on.
Yeah,
So
these physical one, the real interactions and
Correct.
coming out of the nature. Do you think this social media is ruining our life?
Somehow it is, लेकिन बहुत सारी information people are up to date because of social media. The best point of social media is about the awareness.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes it does. It would be good while you're sitting together to talk with each other. It is all depend how you
Utilize.
or you control yourself. Okay.
And watching who is
is online. Yeah.
Who is
So instead-
liking?
yes,
How many likes do
how
we
you
have?
like it? So instead of this, that side. So it is. It's ruined.
It's ruining.
Yeah, it's a private profile for
It's
sure.
a private profile.
Yeah.
Do not follow this guy.
Don't
In the
follow
back-
Whisk
Follow
Islamabad.
Whisk.
Whisk Islamabad. Yeah.